May, might, the second group of modal verbs. As we can, with can, could, all the information for may, might comes from the Thompson and Martinet book, A Practical English Grammar. So if you want to read more examples and more explanations, please go to the chapters about can, could, and may, might in Thompson and Martinet. So may, might. 1. The two verbs indicate permission. This is their main meaning. Might suggests that the speaker is less sure of the response and is more respectful. Might is the most respectful, then could, then may, and then can in this case. As you remember, can and could also indicate permission. For example, may I take a cookie? Which means, am I allowed to take a cookie? If I want to be even more polite and more respectful, and if I'm not really sure of the answer, then I use might. Might I take a cookie? Meaning, am I allowed to take one? I'm afraid I'm not allowed, probably, but I don't know. So I still ask. Or I just want to be extra respectful, extra polite, and then I use might instead of may. Again, I can also ask, could I take a cookie? And that's also polite. Might is more polite than could. I can say, can I take a cookie? And that is the least polite of all. It's the most informal, the one that I usually use with friends or maybe with family members that are very close. May and might also indicate possibility, just as can and could. May and might refer to possibility in the present. Might indicates more doubt. For example, he may tell the truth to his wife. Perhaps he tells or will tell the truth to his wife. Perhaps not. He might tell the truth to his wife. Perhaps he tells or will tell the truth to his wife, but I doubt it. So again, just like for permission, might shows a lot of doubt, could a little bit less doubt, may less, and can even less. Can and could, when they indicate possibility, they have, as you can see, they refer to this idea that things are possible if circumstances permit it. B. He may not believe it. Sorry, the last example. He may not believe it means perhaps he will not believe you. B. Might is the past tense form of may in certain cases, especially if you start with a verb in the past. For example, I knew he might need to hire a car, which means I knew that perhaps he needed a car. So in this case, might refers to the past. May, might, followed by a perfect infinitive, which is formed of with the verb have and the third verbal form, refer to something that perhaps happened in the past. For example, he may have met her by the door of his apartment building. Have met is this perfect infinitive. He may have met means that perhaps he met her by the door of his apartment building, but I, the speaker, or we, the speakers, do not know if he met her. So although he may appears to be in the present, in fact, it's only a present guess about something in the past. He may have met, perhaps he met her. If I say he might have met her by the door of his apartment, I show even more doubt, or I know that something happened or didn't happen. For example, this can be translated as this: there was a possibility for him to meet her by the door, but I, the speaker, know that he did not meet her by the door in the end, or I am very unsure about what happened in the end. So if I say he may have met her by the door, I know that he did not meet her. Or I have no idea, but I very, very much doubt it that he met her. So again, to learn more, please consult chapters 12 for can and could and 13 from Thompson and Martinet.